What's up, guys? I'm back, picking up where I left off. I'm a little stopped up. My sinus is acting up. It's pollen something else. I don't know about where y'all live, but here in Mississippi, everything's starting to bloom. This pollen is thick. And I was watching it this morning. I was coming down the road. It was just blowing off the hood of my truck. But anyways, I ain't gonna bore y'all this morning. I'm up here at the renovation property. So I'm just gonna do a little sanding, get the walls ready for prime. And once I once I finish sanding them, I can prime them, and then I can paint, then I can put it down the floor. So everything's getting closer and closer day by day. So y'all just bear with me. I have a ending soon, and we're gonna put everything together so y'all can sit down and watch. This wall right here, I primed it already just to see how it would look. But I still have to change out the outlets and everything, make them come out a little further past the sheetrock, so when I put the faceplate on, they won't be sitting back in the wall. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little sanding, get everything ready, nice and neat. Cause the coat of mud that I put on here the other day, the last time I was on here, it's dry now. So I can sand everything. So I'm gonna let y'all see me sand a little bit. It won't be much. I have an electric sander, but it messed up on me. It had broke. I just ordered off Amazon. So I had to get another one, but for the time being, I'm just gonna use my little sanding block and sand with my hands. It's not gonna take much sanding. Just lock down the hot spot. I would prefer using the sanding block over the sanding machine. The sanding machine throws dust everywhere, and yeah, I do wear a mask, but it just be so dusty that I have to stop sometimes and let the windows up, let everything clear out, go back to sanding. But this right here, it doesn't knock up as much dust, and then the mud that I use, the compound that I use, it's not as dusty either. But it's another way that you can sand, and they recommend on the bucket that you sand with a damp sponge. That way it'll keep down a whole lot of dust. So I'm gonna continue to sand, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Pretty much done sanding for the day. Got the wall sand in the hallway, in the back room. My sanding block, I gotta get another sanding block. But what I went ahead and did was I cut this spot out so it'll be more open. So I did that. I just gotta move that stud. All those studs right there. Slide it over and cut it down at the bottom so it'll be flush with the opening. And also move these electrical lines. This line right here is not hot. And that's where the electrical heater was. It's not hot. So I'm gonna take that out and I'm gonna move this box right here. So y'all just stay tuned and I'll get that done. Show y'all what I did outside. I cleaned the porch off. It needs to be fixed because it has dropped down. It got a whole crack going through it. Well, y'all can see it, but it dropped down some. So I swept it off and see what condition it's really in. And what I'm gonna do more than likely is probably get some of that leveling compound, the concrete leveling compound. Pressure wash the porch real good, clean it up, and pour it over the porch. Also, I fixed that spot where the brick was. And I brought this back down and put some caulking around it also. So, I don't know if y'all remember or if I showed y'all, but that brick had fell out when I was putting the door in. So, I fixed this spot also. But I'm finna get ready to call it a day, go to the house. Find me something to eat. I think I'm gonna grill this evening. I got some deer burgers thrown out and some Cajun deer sausage. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this evening, go home. Throw something on the grill. It's a nice day outside. Like I said, it's pollen. Pollen is something else. So, it was a little quick day today. About to come to an end, go home and enjoy it. So, y'all stay tuned. And I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. I don't know if y'all really can see it, but that's that pollen I was telling y'all about. You see how thick it is? It's all over my hood, all over my windshield wipers. Yeah, it's the only thing about this time of the year, that pollen. What's up, guys? So, I'm at the house, as y'all see. I decided to close the video out from here. So if y'all have any questions or concerns about the video y'all watched, please let me know. Comment down below. If y'all got any tips or tricks, just give them to me. Like I said, I don't mind constructive criticism. Just don't get too wild with them, talking crazy. But if y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. So until then, y'all have a blessed day.